Hello and welcome to Intellify. I am Vishwa Kapadia and today I am going to talk about some important one mark questions which are important from the point of view of microeconomics and statistics for economics. So let's start. First question is, which of the following is an economic activity? Blood donation for a noble cause, household work done by a mother, care of children by a father, or service provided by doctor in hospital. So answer to this is service provided by doctor in hospital, because by providing service he is getting paid in return, because the definition of economic activity already says that economic activity refers to a transaction which takes place. So here the transaction is happening, and the transaction is not happening in the other three. The second question is define primary data. So the answer is primary data is data collected by a researcher from the first-hand resources using the methods like surveys, interviews or experiments. It is collected directly from the primary sources, for example a door-to-door survey or a questionnaire survey. Primary data is when the researcher himself interacts with the person, for example interviews, experiments. The next question is write the name of two sources of collection of data. There are many sources for collection of data, but in this answer we can mention one of primary data or one of a secondary data. So here the answer can be interviews for primary data and internet or library or some articles for secondary data. The next question is give one suitability of mailing method. Here also there are many suitabilities or many merits of the mailing method, but as it is only a one marker question, so we'll mention only one. So here I've mentioned it is the most economical method in terms of money and manpower, and it is free from bias of the interviewer. Or else you can mention the other merits like it is the most easiest way of conducting a research, or the people find it very convenient to answer this, etc. You can give it any one. The next question is what do you mean by a sample? So answer is a sample is a set of individuals or objects collected or selected from a statistical population by a defined procedure. The elements of the sample are known as sample points, sampling units or observations. So a sample is a set of individuals or objects selected from a whole of a population. It is called a sample. The next question is define variable. So answer is a variable is any characteristic, number or quantity that can be measured or counted. It is called a variable because the value may vary between data units and population and may change over time. For example, age, sex, color, etc. are examples of variable. It is also known as the data value. The next question is choose the appropriate word and fill in the blank. Tabulation is the process of presenting dash in the form of a table. The options given are cost and data. So obviously the answer to this blank is data, because the definition of tabulation itself says that tabulation is the process of presenting data in the form of a table and not cost. The next is which average is affected mostly by the presence of extreme values? Median, mode, arithmetic mean, and none of this. So the answer to this is arithmetic mean. We all know that. The next is define arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean, also called the average, is the quantity obtained by summing two or more numbers or variables and then dividing by the number of units, numbers or variables. We all know how to calculate mean. So this is the definition of arithmetic mean. The next and the last one is marks of 8 students in economics is given below, which are 65, 71, 70, 90, 83, 64, 67 and 85. And we have to find the median marks. So before calculating the median, before starting the sum for median, we arrange the numbers in ascending order. So first we have to arrange these numbers in ascending orders, which is the 64, 65, 67, 70, 71, 83, 85 and 90. Here there are even numbers. There are 8 numbers and we can find this median by 4th observation plus 5th observation divided by 2, which is 70 plus 71 divided by 2, which is 70.5. So the median marks are 70.5. I hope you have understood these important 1 markers for microeconomics and statistics. Thank you.